Hey guys, we're live at 4:56, battling for Eric's Imperial Gunner. There he is with his card back and attached coin. It looks like a nice one. I got 20 spots. Then I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner this afternoon on a Saturday. There they are, 1 through 20. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5, which we did. We got a 10. We're good. Good luck, guys and gals, perhaps. Christopher, round 1. Gary, 2. Patrick, 3. Gene, 4. Jason, 5. Robert, 6. Scott in the top spot for round 7. And round 8 with number 3 both. Christopher takes round 9, which is our next to last round. There we go. And our winners are, or winner is, excuse me, Jason Bruzek in at number 12. Congratulations, Jason. RAGCRV. There you have it. We're done at 4:58 p.m. There you go. Again, here's the official results. Congrats, guy, to the winner. See you next time, guys. Thanks.